So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate realistic voice conversations using Google. Now, open the any of the browser that you have over any device. Now here, search for Google Voice Generator. Simply search for it and you'll see this option of AI Studio that is provided by Google. Just simply click on this option of generate speech, and from here you simply need to paste the speech. For example, speaker 1 says this, speaker 2 says this, and you can add dialogue, say start, state multiple things over there. For example, this is a sample, and once you're done with it, just simply hit on this option of run and send the prompt, and it will take some time, and you can see this generation process have been started. Now it will take some time according to the length of the text that you have been given, and it will generate very realistic results for you for free. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.